If your 2021-2024 Ford Bronco key fob battery dies, don't worry, you're not locked out. First, locate the hidden mechanical key inside your key fob. There's usually a release button on the back or side of the fob. Press it to slide out the physical key. Then, insert the key into the driver's side door lock and turn to unlock. This works regardless of the car battery's condition. Once inside, proceed to the next step to start the engine. Now that you're inside, hold the dead key fob close to the start-stop button on your dashboard, usually within 3 to 6 inches. Press the brake pedal and then push the start button. The Bronco's immobilizer should recognize the fob's RFID chip and allow the engine to start. If this doesn't work right away, try holding the fob directly against the start button while pressing it. Remember to replace your fob battery, CR232 type, regularly to avoid this situation. Consider using the Ford Pass app for digital key access as an alternative.